welcome to Generator Guru. It's easy to order spare parts for your portable generators with Generator Guru. All you need is the make and model of your generator. These can usually be found on the control panel of the generator. If you need any help, just let us know. We're always happy to help. Right here at the bottom of the screen, just click Need Help. To find your parts, go to our homepage. Click our logo if you're on any other page and it will take you there. Go to the generator brand and the generator model and click Find Parts. There are two ways to add parts to your cart. Depends on the part whether you can just add it to the cart straight from this page. Some items you will need to go into. It is always worth going into the actual product because we do give more information if we can. Scroll down to find the products that you need. In this case, we're going to be pretending we're up a mountain and we need a high altitude main jet. This allows the carb to mix the air properly with the fuel at high altitudes. Now this is a perfect example of how we lay out our website. We always tell you what the part is, and here, where it says Generator Guru says, we'll tell you more about the part and how to repair it, or details about it which might be helpful. Once you decide this is the part that you require, add it to your cart. We're going to be up a very high mountain on this one. If you need anything else, click back twice on your browser and you can continue browsing what parts you need. So make sure you're on the right generator. You can see that's written at the bottom of every single part. Scroll down until you find what you need. Check out any information you need and add it to your cart. We can now see that 2 items are added to the cart. If you need to have more than one, please adjust the quantity here. To get a shipping quote, please add your information. And choose what delivery service you would like. In this case, I like priority delivery. We also have free shipping options for many items. You will now see the total of your order. You can check out by GPay, PayPal, or if you'd rather pay by credit card, go through our checkout. If you have an account, it is very much advised to sign in, as we have a very good loyalty discount program. You can save up to 25% with no codes. You just need to sign in. Continue to put the checkout as you would on any other site. We'll ask your shipping details, your payment details, and away we go. Thank you for visiting Generator Guru. If you have any questions, please get in touch. Thanks.